Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Github Desktop installed and your GitHub account signed in. Open the app and let it configure Git if prompted. This saves a manual setup step. Next, pick a local repository folder where you will store projects. Use an existing project or create a fresh folder. Once done, click File, right arrow Clone Repository to pull a remote repo, or choose Create New Repository to start locally and publish when ready. This gets you into a working state fast. You now follow a focused workflow. Create a branch for example feature/login so your main branch stays stable. Make code or documentation changes in your editor and save, then switch back to GitHub Desktop. You'll see modified files, select which to stage, explain why in a concise commit message, and hit Commit to Branch. Once several commits accumulate, choose Branch right arrow Create Pull Request or Push to Origin. This shares your work and triggers reviews. Make sure to pull first to avoid merge surprise. Finish by syncing. Push your branch to origin and open a pull request on GitHub to request review and merge. Make it a habit to pull remote changes before you start work. This prevents many conflicts. If a conflict appears, GitHub Desktop highlights files and offers options. You can use the built-in editor to choose changes or open your editor to resolve manually, then mark as resolved and commit. Key tip: if history looks messy, create a backup branch before complex rebases or resets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.